There has never been a better time than the present to work in the artificial intelligence sector. The potential for AI to revolutionize every industry has been realized. A lot has already been told about particular AI applications. With future AI technology that is based on my knowledge and immersion in the area, I take a step back in this piece to analyze how artificial intelligence over the next 10 years could radically change a large chunk of our economy and society. Today, we'll be talking deeply about top AI, ChatGPT, and the future of artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Before moving further, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for such amazing content. Now let's get started without any further delay.
This is Techtastic.
Let's start with a curious point. Do you know the presence of AI and ML will transform the scientific method? Examples of significant scientific endeavors that are expensive and time-consuming include large-scale clinical studies and particle collider development. Concern over the recent stagnation of scientific progress has grown significantly and is well-founded. It's possible that we've reached the end of the great scientific discovery era. We may expect orders of magnitude increases in the capabilities of artificial intelligence and machine learning, or ML. The number of notions that humans can computationally explore is constrained. A larger spectrum of concepts can be discussed between humans and computers. Working with computers and AI also enables people to successfully manage a far larger range of concepts. With the help of AI, it is now possible to computationally analyze massive datasets and identify complicated links and patterns. AI, which enhances human intelligence, is poised to revolutionize scientific research, ushering in a new era of scientific discovery in the years to come. Now, do you know AI can also play an important role in uplifting foreign policy? Government spending on AI is likely to be substantial. U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd J. Austin III has openly recognized the significance of cooperation with forward-thinking AI technology companies in order to maintain and improve American competitiveness abroad. The U.S. government needs to dramatically accelerate AI development, according to the National Security Commission on Artificial Intelligence. There is little doubt that AI will be crucial to the U.S. maintaining its economic dominance and global hegemony. Also, AI has the power to enable next-gen consumer experiences. How? Two next-generation consumer experiences that have received a lot of attention are the metaverse and cryptocurrencies. These experiences, and more ones like them, will only be made feasible with the help of AI. The metaverse is inherently a problem for AI because humans lack the kind of perception required to overlay digital objects on actual physical surroundings or to comprehend the range of human behaviors and their related repercussions in a metaverse setting. More and more of our lives are being lived at the meeting points of the atomic and quantum worlds. AI systems may be able to learn things much more quickly in a digital environment, for example, virtual driving to train autonomous vehicles. These are natural forces driving AI to bridge the gap between the virtual and physical worlds. Distributed finance, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain, for instance, are all fundamentally about introducing frictionless capitalism into the economy. Making this vision a reality will require distributed apps and smart contracts to have a better understanding of how financial processes interact with the real world, which is an AI and ML challenge. Let me give you another shocking revelation. Addressing the climate crisis will require AI. Yeah, you heard it right. To lessen the socio-economic hazards brought on by climate change, society as a whole still has a lot of work to do. Carbon pricing regulations are still in their infancy, and their value is up for debate. Many interesting new ideas cannot be realized without AI. One potential new tactic is the use of prediction markets driven by AI that may connect policy to impact and take a holistic view of environmental knowledge and interconnectedness. This would most likely be driven by digital twin Earth models, which would need to process and analyze amazing volumes of real-time data in order to identify subtle trends that are undetectable to the human eye. Other cutting-edge technologies, like carbon dioxide sequestration, cannot function without AI-powered risk modeling, the capacity to forecast downstream effects, and the capacity to anticipate unintended consequences. AI will also have a huge impact on the medical sector. Do you want to know how? AI will enable truly personalized medicine. Since the human genome was decoded, personalized medicine has been a goal. Tragically, it still remains a goal. A fascinating new use of AI is the development of personalized therapy for patients. In addition, AI has the ability to one day synthesize and forecast tailored treatment modalities in close to real time without the need for clinical trials. In other words, AI is ideally qualified to build and assess digital twin rubrics of personal biology and can do so in the context of the communities in a person's life. Although the human body is incredibly complicated, our knowledge of how drugs work is woefully inadequate. Without artificial intelligence, it's really hard to interpret the vast amounts of data from a person's physiology, much alone the effects of environment, lifestyle, and diet on a person's health outcomes. In addition to increasing the state-of-the-art in healthcare, AI technologies have the potential to drastically reduce chronic health inequities. Let's dive even deeper into the world of AI. We'll be talking about ChatGPT. What exactly is ChatGPT? OpenAI released ChatGPT in November in order to showcase and assess the potential of a very large, powerful AI system. You can ask it a plethora of queries, and frequently will receive an insightful response. You may ask encyclopedia queries, like explaining Newton's laws of motion, for instance. You can ask it to write me a poem, and after it has, you can instruct it to now make it more fascinating. You ask it to create computer software that will display every possible combination of letter combinations for a word. The problem is that ChatGPT doesn't know anything. It is an artificial intelligence that has been trained to recognize patterns in huge amounts of text that have been obtained from the internet and further trained, helping people engage more productively and effectively. OpenAI cautions that the answers you receive might appear plausible and even authoritative, but they could also be completely incorrect. You might be wondering what kind of questions you can ask in ChatGPT. Anything is acceptable, but don't expect a response regularly. OpenAI suggests a few categories, like explaining physics, finding ideas for birthday parties, and getting programming help. It wrote the poetry I asked it to, though I doubt any literary experts would be impressed. ChatGPT used words like battlefield, adrenaline, thunder, and adventure when I asked it to make it more exciting. One ludicrous request shows how ChatGPT is willing to merely go looking for it in places where people might be reluctant to go. A folk song about constructing a Rust program and battling with lifetime faults. It is impressive how versatile and capable ChatGPT is at keeping up with a talk. When I asked it for words that rhyme with purple, it gave me a couple alternatives, and when I added, "How about with pink?" it responded without missing a beat. The word pink has a ton of other fantastic rhymes. Now, who built ChatGPT? OpenAI, a startup that carries out artificial intelligence research, created ChatGPT. Its goal is to create, or assist in the creation of, an artificial general intelligence system that is safe and usable. It's already gained attention because of DALL-E and GPT-3, which produce what is now referred to as generated art based on the text prompts you enter, and can produce language that may have a human-like quality to it. Big language models are a subset of AI technology, and the GPT-3 and GPT-3.5 updates, on which ChatGPT is based, are two examples. They may be taught automatically to write text based on what they have observed, frequently over the period of many weeks, requiring a great amount of computing power. For instance, the training process might choose a random section of text, omit a few words, ask the AI to fill in the blanks, compare the results to the original, and then laud the AI system for coming as close as is practical. The ability to produce text can become advanced via repetition. Finally, the question that is definitely going into your mind is ChatGPT free? Yes, at least right now it is. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, stated on Sunday that because computational costs are so prohibitive, we will have to commercialize it somehow at some point. OpenAI starts charging for DALL-E art once your basic free level of usage has been used up. Though it looks that OpenAI has some clients who most likely use its GPT tools, potential investors are informed. According to Reuters, OpenAI anticipates an income of $200 million in 2023 and $1 billion in 2024. Over the next 10 years, applications of artificial intelligence are anticipated to have a significant impact on our society and economy. The most promising time for technological advancement and value generation in the foreseeable future is currently in its infancy, according to several credible experts. That was truly an informative piece of content, wasn't it? What is your reaction to the future of AI? Do you like the features of ChatGPT? Let us know your answers in the comments section down below. Also, if you like our work, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.